Samsung Galaxy A40, common issue, fault with the charging. So as you can see, it's not charging. We're going to heat the back up, then we will remove it carefully. Fast forward video, but going to open all screws on the back. Once off, take out the SIM tray, and then we will take out the frame. It will come off really easily. Disconnect the battery here. Then I'm going to secure the main flex, because this is the culprit, especially if you drop your phone or if you have repaired it before, open it for any reason, then the problem is more likely with this connector. So we're gonna press it again here a bit, and then we're going to try the charging on it. Yes, as you can see, it start charging. Okay, so that was the common fault. That's the common issue with this A40's model. It's perfectly charging now. Putting back all screws again. Fast forward video. Fingerprint sensor, just connect that and then put on the back cover. And that's all. We will try it again once more, and yes, it is charging. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.